Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host Karthik here, welcome to the channel. Buying a DSLR is always exciting, especially your first one. It's quite thrilling and also extremely confusing with all the options out there. Usually the question ranges from what camera should I buy and all the way to, and ultimately ends at, should I buy Canon or Nikon? So if you are a beginner and who have trouble deciding your first DSLR, then this video is right for you. Remember, in this video, I will not be suggesting you the right camera because it is not possible for me. Instead, I will be sharing 5 points that you can keep in your mind, which helps you to narrow down the best possible camera for you to buy. Let's get started. It always starts with the money and ends with money. Before you decide which brand and what camera you're going to buy, plan your budget. Even if it is 20,000 or 30,000 rupees, make sure you can afford it and don't get into any financial trouble. My suggestion would be don't go for EMIs or pay later schemes. Instead, decide the budget, save the money, and buy the camera. Friends, this is very important for camera buyers. If all of your friends or most of your friends own a Nikon camera, then go for Nikon. If they have Canon, then go for Canon. Simple as that. But the question is, why would I buy a brand based on my friends? Because lenses. There are lenses, good lenses, and then great lenses. A good lens would sometimes cost more than the camera body, which is way out of our budget. So, if you buy a brand based on your friend circle, you can switch the lenses with them without having to spend so much money. And that's why friends come in handy. The main purpose, or what are you going to do with this camera? It may sound very silly, but this is a very important aspect. The purpose. Is it for photography or videos or for both? There are cameras that are specially designed for photography, likewise for videos, and some cameras are good at both. For me, my purpose was videos. I sporadically take pictures, so I decided to buy a camera which is good for videography. So the question is, why not buy a camera which is good at both? For example, if you're too concerned about photography, and buying a camera that is specially designed for photography will be better than the one that is designed for both. And that's the thing you need to understand and ask yourself before buying the camera. Now that you have fixed your budget, decided the brand, and worked on your purpose, let's do some research. Based on these aspects, let's say you have decided to buy Canon, then visit Canon's website and filter them out based on price range and purpose. You would get at least 3 or 4 cameras in that category. List down the features and compare them with each other, and finally lock onto one camera. This is purely a bonus point. Don't think too much and don't stress yourself on which camera is the best. Just because I have Canon, that doesn't mean Nikon is bad. Remember, every DSLR camera out there are good, and that's why they are in the market. So go ahead, buy your first camera, take awesome pictures, make great videos, and keep learning. That's been it. Thank you for watching. I really hope out of the million videos, this video helps you choose your first DSLR camera. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, it's Karthik signing off. Peace out.